Yeah, we are only going to take all the way to
When
the
you're on
back.
the left, when you're inside, go all the way to the rear.
I need to go home, but we're still waiting for the buses.
Darlington is een van meer as 350 mense wat op Sondagmôre 28 Junie in Kaapse winterreën staan en wag vir hulp om na sy geboorteland terug te keer.
Struggling at home, so that's why we came here to try to find a job.
Hy woon al 6 jaar in Suid-Afrika. Hy doen stukwerk om sy vrou en kind aan die lewe te hou. Buite die Zimbabwese konsulaat in Distrik 6 tref die stad Kaapstad en lede van die metropolisie tydelike reëlings om mense en hul besittings uit die reën te kry. Babas en vroue kry voorkeur. Optogte teen onwettige immigrante word vir hierdie week beplan in 'n poging om druk op publieke infrastruktuur te verlig volgens die March and March beweging.
And how do you understand this movement in South Africa at the moment, this March to March? What do you understand is the problem that they are trying to solve?
They're trying to solve to us to go home and then to fix these things
In Zimbabwe?
in Zimbabwe. We must try to make our place to be nice. Our president and the government, they need to change a little bit.
In 'n 3000 woord lange pastorale brief oor hierdie onderwerp het die Suid-Afrikaanse Raad van Kerke van dese maand onder meer die volgende beroep op die geloofsgemeenskap gemaak. Answer the humanitarian emergency now. More important than any plan is this, that each of us, wherever we are at a personal level, in each community and in each parish, must respond to the situation as it actually presents itself and now. Let us not theorize while people suffer, lydens die verklaring, wat ook deur verteenwoordigers van die NG Kerk onderteken is. Ondanks die regering en wetstoepassers se onderneming om onwettige immigrante te beskerm tydens repatriasie, is mense soos Darlington bang en bekommerd.
If the buses don't come in time, are you scared of what might happen on Tuesday?
Yes, we are very scared about that because they said when they march, if they find us here, sometimes they can beat us. They said they don't beat us. In the government, they said they must not beat us. But these guys, they don't care about anyone.